Good morning, poet and poetess from 16 countries of the world. Good morning, everybody. My name is Aloysius Papan. I represent my state, Meghalaya, which is known as the wettest place on earth and land of clouds, which is located in the northeastern part of India. I came here to participate as an Indian poet delegate in the 4th edition of the International Multilingual Poets Meet and launch of the Marvati Poetic Present 2018. So I am here to take part as an Indian delegate where I had contributed 3 of my poems, one in my own native language, which is Kannada, and then another one is in Khasi, and one poem is in English. So I'm going to recite today itself my poem in my own native language, Kannada, entitled Kajali Pakona. Personally and frankly speaking, I'm a very young, a newborn poet, so could say, because I switched over to this field soon after my voluntary retirement, which is 6 months back, where I had already composed around 60 poems and awarded from various literary society. So I wish this International Multilingual Poets 2018 a success. Thank you so much.
Wait.